Gi-English ako para sa mga foreign viewers. Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is actually my very first food vlog, so please bear with me because I bared with you. So for today's video, we will be doing one of the most probably one of the most viral coffee drink that everyone has been trying ever since the quarantine period started, and that is none other than Dalgona Coffee. And for my version of this famous drink, I'm not going to be using an electric mixer or a wire whisk, but I will be using not one, but two. Yes, right. 2 forks.
Fun fact!
Did you know that the Spanish word for fork is tenedor?
Tenedor.
Money heist.
So this recipe is going to be very easy. You just need 5 basic ingredients that you can definitely find in your pantries and in your kitchens. So let's get started. First, you're gonna need 1/2 cup brown sugar, about 2 tablespoons instant coffee, 1/4 cup water, and a bowl. First thing that you want to do is to combine all the ingredients in the bowl, starting with brown sugar, coffee, and water. Then, using your 2 forks, start hydrating the ingredients. I will not cut the video, but I will speed it up to 4 times to make sure that you see all the changes during the mixing process. During the first stage of mixing, you may want to incorporate as much air as you can. You will notice that the mixture will turn lighter in color, which indicates that there is enough air incorporated to it. Continue mixing until we get that smooth and fluffy texture that we are looking for. Remember that you may also use refined sugar for this recipe, but I prefer brown sugar as it adds more flavor. And after mixing for 8 minutes, your mixture should look like this. You may further extend mixing to get that fluffier texture according to your liking. Next step is to fill your glass with ice, then add milk until 3/4 full. And finally, top with your fluffy coffee mixture. Don't forget your straw. So that's it guys, I hope you liked the video. I'm just very excited for you guys to try this out in your respective homes. If you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more video updates.